This is a screencast for multiply perfect square binomials. After watching the screencast, you will be able to multiply perfect square binomials. Prior to understanding multiply perfect square binomials, you should have a good sense of how to multiply binomials in general, or at least how to use the distributive property. After we master multiply perfect square binomials, we will be prepared to multiply polynomials in general. Let's start it with our first example. We're going to multiply x plus 6 squared. Well, we need to understand what the squared means. It means we're multiplying the same thing by itself. So we really are going to be multiplying x plus 6 twice, or x plus 6 times x plus 6. Now we have two binomials that we can multiply, and we have worked with these before. I'm going to first start by distributing the x plus 6 first to the x, and then the x plus 6 to the 6. From here, we're doing distribution twice more, the x times the x, and the x times the 6, and then the 6 times the x, and the 6 times the 6. Look for your like terms to combine, and our final answer is x squared plus 12x plus 36. Let's look at another example. We're going to be multiplying x minus 5 squared. So, understanding what x minus 5 squared means, we are just going to be multiplying x minus 5 times x minus 5. So I will start by distributing the x minus 5 first to the x, and then the x minus 5 to the negative 5. So keep in mind that is a negative 5. I'll use my distributive property to multiply the x times the x times the negative 5, and multiplying the negative 5 times the x, and the negative 5 times the negative 5. So on the back half, when we simplify, it's negative 5x plus 25. Combine your like terms, and our final answer is x squared minus 10x plus 25. So as long as you remember what squaring means, you should be able to multiply perfect square binomials.